Noodle Doodle. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who lived in a small village near a forest. Every day, he would go into the forest to cut wood and sell it to feed himself and his family. His life was simple, but he was content with what he had. One day, while cutting a tree near the river, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the water. The river was deep and fast-moving, and the woodcutter was heartbroken. His axe was his only means of earning a living, and without it, he had no way to make money. The woodcutter sat by the riverbank and cried. Hearing his sobs, a kind fairy appeared from the water. Seeing the woodcutter's genuine distress, the fairy offered to help him. The fairy dove into the river and, after a moment, came back with a shining golden axe. The fairy asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter looked at the golden axe and immediately replied, "No, that is not mine. My axe was an ordinary one." The fairy nodded and dived into the river again. This time, the fairy emerged with a silver axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" "No," the woodcutter replied, "that is not mine either." The fairy dived into the river once more and brought up the woodcutter's old, rusty axe. The woodcutter's face lit up and he said, "Yes, that is my axe." The fairy, impressed by the woodcutter's honesty, said, "Because you were truthful, I will reward you for your honesty." The fairy gave the woodcutter the golden and silver axes as well, and he returned to his village, now richer than ever before. When the villagers heard of the woodcutter's good fortune, they too wanted to claim the same reward. One man, envious of the woodcutter's success, decided to try his luck. He went to the river with the intention of losing his axe on purpose, hoping to receive the golden and silver axes as well. When the fairy appeared, the man pretended to be upset. The fairy dived into the river and returned with the golden axe. The man eagerly said, "Yes, that's mine." However, the fairy saw through the man's trickery. "Because you were dishonest," the fairy said sternly, "I will take back the golden axe and leave you with nothing." The man was left with only his old, rusty axe, and he learned a harsh lesson about greed and dishonesty. The story of the golden axe teaches valuable lessons about honesty, integrity, and the rewards of doing the right thing. The woodcutter's honesty brought him riches, while the dishonest man lost everything. It serves as a reminder that virtues such as truthfulness and sincerity are far more valuable than material wealth.